Hello YouTube. This video is focused on how to get your channel verified in order to receive the little check mark next to your name. It is only available for folks who have 100,000 subscribers or more. And so we went viral in June and July. So we have 1.36 subscribers. I think it's super important that we get this channel verified ASAP given the case. So I'm going to take you through the process of what that looks like. So first, what you want to do is, I'll share this tab. You want to go into your YouTube settings and you want to go to the main settings, then you go to advanced settings and then you go to channel ID. So you're going to copy this and we're going to go back into this screen and we're going to want to go into studio. So from studio, you go to the help section and you type in verification badge. Here, you see apply for channel verification. And again, so here, channel app verification application. Congrats on reaching 100,000 subscribers. You're eligible to submit a request for channel verification. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put the channel name as well as the channel ID. So we copied the channel ID right there. And the channel name is Ghetto Mother Teresa. So we're going to put that here. And then we're going to submit. So your email has been sent. Thanks for completing the channel verification application. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. After the next several weeks, we'll take a look at the information you provided and get back to you. You all know that whatever comes from my desk is literally from me since we have grown so large. And I have a bunch of different brands and companies I work with. So I want to ensure that everyone knows that this is my real vlog. And everything that comes from my desk will hit this vlog. And that's it.